Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel where we break down the latest in blockchain and finance. Today, we're tackling how to send Chainlink from Kraken to Revolut in 2025. Chainlink is a popular cryptocurrency used for smart contracts, and moving it between exchanges like Kraken and Revolut can be straightforward if you follow the right steps. This process is super useful for managing your assets across platforms, especially with Revolut's growing crypto features. But before we dive in, make sure you have a verified account on both Kraken and Revolut, and that you own some Chainlink tokens on Kraken. Also, keep an eye on any network fees. Crypto transfers aren't free. Let's get started with step 1. Log into your Kraken account. Head to the Kraken website or app and enter your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets section and select Chainlink from your asset list. Step 2. Initiate the withdrawal. Click on the Withdraw button next to Chainlink. You'll need to enter the recipient address. This is where Revolut comes in. Open your Revolut app, go to the Crypto section, and copy the Chainlink wallet address provided for your account. Paste that address into the Kraken withdrawal form, and double-check it to avoid any costly mistakes. Step 3. Confirm the details. Enter the amount of Chainlink you want to send, review the network fees, usually on the Polygon or Ethereum network, and hit Confirm. You'll get a confirmation email or notification from Kraken. Don't skip verifying this. Step 4. Wait for the transfer. Transfers can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025. Once it's done, check your Revolut app under the Crypto tab to see your Chainlink balance updated. A quick tip. Always use two-factor authentication for security, and never share your private keys. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test. There you have it. That's how you send Chainlink from Kraken to Revolut. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto guides. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.